Today, we're looking at a powerful new tool to supercharge your workflow, the MX Creative Console, part of the Master Series by Logitech. This innovative console features a highly adaptable button panel perfect for creating shortcuts and custom workflows for desktop software such as the Adobe Creative Suite and others. The Creative keypad boasts 9 customizable LCD buttons, while the Creative dialpad offers a large dial, scroll wheel, and 4 additional buttons, the functionality and iconography of which you can change to your needs. Setup is simple. Download the app, grant the necessary permissions, and you're ready to start. Even with the default settings, the console is good to go right out of the box. By pressing the action ring on the dial pad, you'll instantly access 8 essential actions around your mouse cursor, including play pause, system volume, screen brightness, Google, and even ChatGPT. Compatibility is broad and growing, making this an adaptable tool across a range of programs. And while we only had a few presets available to us at the time of this video, more are said to be coming in the near future. We had the chance to use the console in both Premiere and After Effects, and it made a noticeable difference. In Premiere, shortcuts like Effects Panel and Effects Controls were just a button press away, while the dial pad was excellent for jogging the timeline smoothly. This is especially helpful if you don't have a mouse with a thumb scroll wheel. In After Effects, we loved the 4 pages of preset shortcuts with features like keyframe shortcuts and graph editing view right at our fingertips. Having access to these simple shortcuts may seem small, but they make a huge difference in your workflow. It feels like taking fewer steps to complete each task, allowing you to get things done faster and more efficiently. With such an intuitive layout, this console transforms complex tasks into single-button actions, dramatically speeding up your workflow. But what do you think? Could the MX Creative Console find a place in your setup? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Jory with B&H, and that's a wrap.